What's up, y'all? This is Jason. Got a little Camaro video for you here. I drove up and parked, and I could hear that the fan was still running. The radiator cooling fan. That's the second time I've had that happen for the past little while. And last time it happened to me, I was able to cut the engine off. Excuse me. I had cut the engine off. The fan was still running. I heard a sound, so I popped the hood and I checked it. Fan was running. I got back in the car, cranked it again and cut it off, and the fan quit. That's the way it happened the first time. Well, this time I tried that multiple times and the fan wouldn't quit. So I got to looking on some forums and chat rooms and all that kind of stuff, and people got to talking about checking the relay. Well, so I just wanted to let you know where the relays are for it. So I'm going to post a chart to show you, but I've got a screenshot of like where relays and different components are for this engine. But if I remember correctly, this one's like fuel injector relay, this one is the fan relay, and this one is the AC relay. I will post a picture on this video showing which relays are which, a little screenshot of the diagram of the engine. But these are all the same relay number, so I may just replace all of them. So what I ended up doing to get the fan to stop, I didn't know which one it was. I had to do a little research, and I looked at the description. There was finally somebody that was describing it. One person said something about relays. You know, they said it was behind here, and you know, one person had said something about it was 2 relays and it was behind here. But unless these have been put in a different order, which I don't think they have, there was one that was saying something about 5 wires going to one and 4 wires going to it. Well, this one's also got 4 wires going to it, so which one is it? You know what I mean? So then I finally found another one that we got to describing the exact look of the wires, you know, as far as this green wire with a white line on it and the black wire with a red line. And so actually what I had done to get the fan to cut off is I just experimented, and I didn't know at the time, I hadn't looked up to see which one it was, but I tapped this one on top, and I guess that slight vibration vibrated this one enough to where it cut the fan off. So this one's not even the fan relay. This one's for the AC, if I remember looking at the chart correctly. And then this one's for the fan. But I tap on this one, and I guess it was enough to, like I say, to trigger the other one to release. But it looks like I've got some relays to buy. So that's no good. That'll run your battery down. I did also read about a guy who every time he kept on fooling with it, it would run his battery down, and he kept on boosting off his car, and his battery still kept dying. It's because he had killed his alternator because of all the times that he had boosted off his car because the fan killing his battery. So that's no good either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post some screenshots of the diagram that I've got that shows which one is the fan relay, and we may have to do some shopping and see if we can find the fan relay. Well, actually what I think I may do is I may replace all 3 of those relays. They're all old, it's not gonna hurt. One of these, I think it's this one, and I don't know why it's bad about when the AC is off. It's bad about cycling. Dum, 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 dum. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about the fan. So let's get back to that. So y'all, thank you for watching this video. I hope that is helpful. If you're having trouble with your fan nut cutting off, whether it's on the Camaro or whether it's any other vehicle, you might want to check your fan relay. Okay? Thank y'all for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope y'all have a great day. Later, y'all. This is 91 Camaro and a 3.1. Surely the relays and stuff are the same for the
2.8. It's practically the same motor, but I can only address what I've got. All right, y'all take care. Later. I like that. Can't see much of it, but there was two of them. Oh, there's the other one. So you're in the woods. Let's see if you can see my finger. Let's see. Boom, right there. The other one that's right there. It ain't got nothing to do with working on cars. It's a pretty sight. I've been coming out a good bit here lately. Mama and two young ones. What do we have here? We have two young ones, or we got... I don't think that's Mama. I think that's two of the young ones. That one's little. This isn't small, Mama. Thought y'all might like to see that. Oh, that one. Oh, look, we got a number three. Look at this, running around, running like they're scared. There's three of them out there. Oh, that was. It sounded like an acorn dropped or something. Run around like something scared. The phone's getting out of focus. Taking off, running around. Back to why I came back out here. I went inside and did a little... Oh, wow, look at them. I went inside and did a little shopping on eBay and AutoZone and O'Reilly's. I came back out here because I was just going to use my old car as a backdrop while I talk to you, but I guess I'll use these deer as a backdrop. So I looked on AutoZone's website. AutoZone's got a AC Delco. Oh, look at there. Is that Mama? Got AC Delco. For I think about $35. O'Reilly's got we're taking off. O'Reilly's got one for a standard ignition, which is probably what's on the car. It's probably something along the lines of what my dad would have bought back in the day. He would have put standard ignition on his car. And I think the standard ignition was like $31.99. And I looked on eBay, and it looks like I can get them for around $27 a piece, something like that. I look around, see if I can get the best deal. way it goes. I'm not sure if the AC Delco that was in stock at AutoZone, if they had it in stock. But I do know that the standard that O'Reilly's was going to have to order. I didn't look and see if they had any more at any of the local stores. I may do that, but I could save a little money if I just order it. And if the thing goes to acting up, I can just beat on the top of it, I guess, and get it to stop tapping. If I have to, I'll just unhook it until I use the car again. So I may stick with these deer right here and keep on watching them. And you can stick with me as long as you want. But I figure I can replace all 3 of those relays for probably right at $100, including tax. They've probably got free shipping on the ones that are on eBay. I love watching the deer in the backyard. The bad thing is we would really like to build a new shop and add on to the house. And once you start doing all that, I want the shop in a different location. I don't like where my current shop is. Current shop's down the hill down there. A little raggedy thing, probably built back in the 70s or 80s or something. I like one up here, kind of like, just far enough away from this power line as I can get away with to the right of it. Of course, that's going to mean cutting down some trees, and it'll obstruct my view of the backyard. We've definitely enjoyed our view of the backyard since we've been here. Sorry, my zoom's not any better than it is. I don't know if the other one has gone behind the tree or ran off back into the woods, but the other little one did. All it would take would be an acorn to fall on my metal roof shop, and that deer would be gone. Maybe a loud truck or something to drive by. I don't know what she's eating, because I don't think that's an oak tree right there. Just digging around in the grass, I guess. Where the little ones went. Oh well, y'all probably tired of watching deer. Alright y'all, thanks for sticking with my video. I'm gonna see if I can sneak on back in the house and avoid disturbing the deer. See if we can do some relay shopping. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for tuning in. Later, y'all.